Hey everyone, today I'm going to show you how to fix Steam when it gets stuck on installing an update. This is a frustrating issue that can prevent you from playing your games, but don't worry, we'll get it sorted out. So let's get started with this quick tutorial. First, look at the bottom left corner of your screen and click on the search bar. Once it's active, type in Task Manager. You'll see the Task Manager app appear in the search results, so go ahead and click on it to open it up. This tool lets you see all the programs currently running on your computer and gives you control over them. Now, in the Task Manager window, scroll through the list of running applications until you find Steam. Once you locate it, right-click on Steam and from the menu that appears, select End Task. This will force Steam to close completely, clearing out any processes that might be causing the update to hang. After ending the task, Steam will automatically launch again on its own. Give it a few seconds to reconnect and start the update process fresh. In many cases, this simple restart is all you need to get things working again. However, if Steam is still stuck on the update, we'll need to try running it with elevated permissions. Go to your desktop and locate your Steam shortcut. Right-click on the Steam shortcut, and from the context menu, select Run as Administrator. This gives Steam higher-level permissions to access system files and can often resolve update issues related to permission restrictions. Wait a moment for Steam to launch and see if the update proceeds normally. If you're still experiencing the same problem, we'll make Steam always run as administrator by default. Once again, right-click on your Steam shortcut on the desktop, and this time select Properties from the menu. This will open a new window with various settings for the Steam application. In the Properties window, click on the Compatibility tab at the top. This section contains settings that help older programs run better on newer versions of Windows, but it also includes the administrator option we need. Look for the checkbox beside Run this program as an administrator and check that box. This ensures Steam will always launch with administrator privileges, which can prevent future update issues. Now, click Apply first to save these changes, then click OK to close the Properties window. With these settings in place, open Steam again and check if the update installs properly. The administrator permissions should allow Steam to complete the update without getting stuck. Lastly, if you've tried all these steps and Steam is still stuck on the update, your best option is to reinstall Steam completely. This will give you a fresh installation that should resolve any deeper issues with the program. And there you have it, you've successfully fixed the Steam update issue. If this video helped you out, be sure to leave a like, subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one.